You guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Test This Skincare Pen. But hold up, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. So make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com with 2 B's. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me in all my social media sites. And in this episode of Test This Skincare Pen, we will be putting aloe vera and turmeric to the test. Now y'all know the last time we did aloe vera, I did the gel. This time we ain't doing the gel. We're doing the real deal, because I ain't getting burnt again, because I screamed on camera with the baking soda and aloe vera. That was the worst experience of my life. So we will be using aloe vera for this episode. So this is what I did for this episode of Test This Skincare Pen. All I did was took aloe vera, I added a teaspoon of water, and I got this aloe vera gel. So this is what this is. I used real aloe vera. Can y'all see? Y'all see the petals inside of it? Y'all see? This is what real aloe vera gel look like. Can y'all see that green and the clumps and stuff? That's what it looks like. So essentially what this pen is, it is supposed to help with oily skin. So I've been looking really shiny lately. So I'm going to do a close-up so y'all see how shiny I be looking. Look at that shine. So I've been looking really shiny lately, and I have no clue why. And then this, oh, I got the aloe vera all over my face. So we're going to take turmeric powder, add it, and then mix it up. And it's supposed to essentially give us like a liquidy paste, and you put it all over your face, and it's supposed to reduce the shine of your skin. So if you have oily skin and you're trying, like necessarily you're just trying to reduce the shine of it or decrease the oils that your skin has, then you want to use this paste. Now I really don't have oily skin, but I've been looking shiny lately, and those blot patches, like I use blot patches to get rid of the shine, not working. So I think we should try this DIY, because I don't tend to want to dry my face out too much. Toners or astringents dry my face out a lot, and I'm not really looking for that, because I've just been looking shiny. I want something a little less harsh for the skin. So this is the paste we working with. So I just used like the whole aloe vera peel for this episode. So yeah, that's all you have to do is use the whole aloe vera peel, and then you just smear it all over your face like so. So this is a little clear. So I will say this mask is really soothing, you guys. It's not like other masks I've used. It's not soothing, but it's like, I don't know, it's not hard. I don't know, it's just, it's something about turmeric. I don't know. I don't feel like, I don't know how to explain it. I just don't feel like, I don't know. Compared to the masks we've been doing this year, this is a nice one. This is a good one, honey, a good one. Have y'all been keeping up with these episodes? It's just been getting horrific. So this is a nice one to be using. I like it so far. Okay, a little chunky on the face. What do y'all think? It's a little chunky on the face, you must say. So yeah. Okay, so here we go. So you're supposed to leave it on your face for like 30 minutes. That's what the mask said. I don't know if it dries. The mask didn't say it dries, but we're going to see if it dries. So I'm going to leave it on my face for like 30 minutes. So, hey y'all. Hey. Okay, so we're back, you guys. It's been about 30 minutes, and this thing is still not dry. Let me do a close-up. Y'all see? So, see how that's not dry and that's not dry? But I don't have time. This taking too long, so we just gonna rinse it off. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, when I get it off my face, I'm so Okay, so I've got it all off my face. Oh my god, my skin is itchy. So let's just try it and see what we're working with when it's dry. Feel like I need tea tree oil on my face after that though. Whew. Okay, so this is what my face looks like. Let me look in the mirror while y'all look at me. Okay. Oh my God. Am I shiny to y'all? I am not shiny. Oh my God. Look at me. I'm not shiny. Oh my God, the shine went away. Oh my God. I feel like a little reaction on my... Can y'all see my chin? Does my chin look bad? Ooh. I know y'all seeing on my nose, but nothing in there. Don't worry. Does my chin look bad? To me, my chin looks horrible. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. I am super less shiny. It worked. It worked. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. I'm not putting Miracle Glow oil on, but make sure you check out Miracle Glow oil as well as Larimar Elixir at SavvyNaturalista.com. And even after these DIYs, I do suggest you use some sort of moisturizer on your skin just to keep it. I probably do need a moisturizer, but my skin looks so good and I feel like I see whiteheads. So I may have to try that spatula for y'all on camera because these whiteheads is looking horrible. Oh my God. Like, I feel like I'm getting whiteheads. Anyways, that's here nor there. I feel like once the shine went away, I'm starting to see whiteheads on my skin and pimples that I didn't see. It's like the shine is showing why it was so shiny. Oh my God. Anyways, let's talk about this pen before we get into that. So, Shundara stamp of approval. This gets the Shundara stamp of approval. Okay, this is not denied. This is approved. My stamp of approval. I think this is a wonderful pen to use. I just feel it was just, I just didn't like it on my skin. It felt funny on my skin. But if you don't mind the funny feeling, you will love this pen. Oh my God, I'm not shiny no more. It worked. I'm so happy. I like it. I thought it wasn't gonna work. It just dried really funny on my skin, so be careful with that. I used pure aloe vera. I did not use this. Y'all, look at the remnants from the baking soda still on it. Get the real deal. You gotta get the real aloe vera, not that. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. If you try this pen, use real aloe vera. Don't be using the gel. You live in the desert, honey. Fountain Hills has some. I'm not gonna tell you where in Fountain Hills, so y'all don't be stealing my spots. I may see y'all where I get my aloe vera at in Fountain Hills, and I may be mad. So I'm not gonna tell you exactly where, but I'm gonna tell you that's where I get mine at. And sometimes around where I live, they have aloe vera too. So that's here nor there. But I don't be like to go in people's front yards taking their aloe vera because they be looking at me weird. I used to take the oranges in their front yards and they would be looking at me weird, and y'all just let them grow. Pomegranates is $5 at the store. And y'all just had pomegranates just falling all out y'all yards and just rotting and corroding, but getting mad at me for picking them up. So I stopped doing that. I wish somebody would have just start growing pomegranate trees on the side of the road so I could start picking them like they got these orange trees. But that's here nor there. That's all I'm saying. People have pomegranates in their trees and just let them die when they $5 at the store. I do not understand that for the life of me, but that's not here nor there. What I'm trying to say is get you the real aloe vera. I'm giving you a tip if you live in Arizona. It's in Fountain Hills. I'm just not telling you where, because we may be parking my car and I may see you and look at you funny and you may be like, hey, no, not gonna catch me up, boo. But anyways, this is a wonderful pen. I suggest you try it, especially if you have oily skin, very oily skin. Oh my God, will make your skin less oily and shiny. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Test This Skincare Pen. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, and I'll see you in our next episode. As always, the pen, the recipe, and all my thoughts and feelings on the pen is always at the blog at SavvyNaturalista.com with 1 V, not 2 V's, 1 V. So make sure you check that out if you're really interested. And you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye, you guys.